So what's up, guys? Today we have a BMW, and I'm gonna show you how to remove your airbag in case if you have a blow or you got to upgrade, whatever. It's pretty easy. You don't need like flathead screwdriver. Just come to the side. You will see this little notch over here. And there's another one like right there. You only have to do this. You have to put the screwdriver in. Push it in. See how the airbag just pop. That's it. Do the same thing on the other side. What I said. It's out. Just pull it. That's it. You can see right here with the clips attached. Right here. So basically you're doing this. Same thing on the other side. A lot of BMWs do the same thing and will have the same way to pop the airbags. Well, any question, let me know. Comments. Please subscribe. Thank you guys and have a nice day.